Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Sembly AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Sembly AI's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in sembly.ai and make a search. The official page of Sembly AI will appear on the screen. Click on Login option at the top right corner of the page. It will take you to the login page of Sembly. Click on Don't Have an Account option. You can sign up to your Sembly AI's account using Microsoft, Google, Apple or email as well. Click on any one of the options. Enter your email address and click on Sign Up. On the next page, enter your personal name and tap on Next. Create a password for your Sembly AI's account. Confirm your password by re-entering it and tap on Done. This is how you can sign up for your Sembly AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.